Hello everyone, good morning. So here is the video regarding with our calculator. So my calculator is a Canon, pero na bura na kasi yung pinakatatak niya. Okay, um, so that you have your real life, parang real life simulation with how do we use scientific calculator. So again, we have a scientific calculator specifically used for civil engineering. Okay, kung makikita ninyo, we have different functions here. Nandito sa pinakataas po. I'm not just sure, you can explore na lang din po if you have other calculator. Okay, pero hindi naman po nagkakalayo yung mga functions na gamit. Okay, so we have here sa upper is yung mga different functions. Meron tayo makikita mismo sa different buttons. And then meron din po tayo nakikita mga naka-yellow and then naka-green and another is yung mga naka-blue. And then we have here yung orange, blue also. Okay. And then sa ating lower, we have here yung ating mismong number. Okay, meron tayo nung delete, meron tayo nung CA. We have here the different operation and also we have the NPR and CR, yung mga naka-orange dyan. So, how do we use our scientific calculator? So, of course, una ninyo, i-on ninyo. Now, makikita ninyo is that meron tayong M dyan and then meron tayong D. It says lang po na naka-mathematics yung ating mode and then naka-degree yung ating scientific calculator. There is 2 kasi. You can use degree, you can use also radians. Lalo na kapag sa mga angle. Okay. Now, if of course you know na how do we use this our lower part. Okay, meron delete, kapag delete only one number yung nadidelete niya or isang operation, isang function. Pag CA, nadidelete niya po lahat. Okay, we have here X, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We have here the exponent, the answer, and then the equal. So, different po ang function nitong si answer tsaka si equals. Okay, like for example, 12 plus 35, you will equals that one. Now, if you want to use this for another computation, you can click the answer plus, let's say, plus 12 ulit, and then equals. Yung answer dyan is yung 47 kanina, plus yung 12 ngayon, is equals to 59. So, ganun po yung ating paggamit ng scientific calculator. Now, okay, so CA muna natin, delete muna natin. Okay, so sa ating mga dyan, yellow or orange, okay, ang pinaka-partner po niyan, okay, is this one, the shift. Para mapalabas nyo po yung mga orange dito na function, okay, so let's say shift, and then pinutin po natin itong button na to, ang lalabas po is yung pinaka-orange na andyan, okay. If we're going to use naman yung mga function na naka-green or yung mga naka-blue, ang gagamitin naman natin is yung alpha, alpha C, alpha X, okay? So, itong mga letters na po na to, ginagamit to as a variable or ginagamit nyo po siya para ma-maintain or ma-store yung mga values natin. Okay, so for now, maybe you can use this sa ating calculus as a, tawag dito, for variable, alpha x, let's say alpha x squared, let's say lang, plus 2x minus 3. Parang ganon. So, ganon yung pagtatype natin. Okay, so again, yung mga orange na button dyan para mapalabas yung function na yan, gagamitin nyo si shift. And then, kapag yung mga green or yung blue is yung blue alpha. Okay, pero kung yung mga ganito lang, yung mga nakalagay mismo sa button, okay, pipindutin nyo lang siya, sine, cosine, tangent. Okay, so we have different trigonometrics dito. Ito yung mga sin h, cos, mga tan h, mga ganyan. And then, you can use also the differentiate this one, function. Okay, sa ating setup naman, we have there different setup or mode. Meron tayong computation, complex, statistics, base, equation, table, matrix, and vector. Okay, so sa convert, kapag convert naman dyan, pwede kayo mag-convert. There are different lots of units. Kapag pinindot nyo din naman si alpha convert, shift convert, there is a lot also there na value, constant value. Let's say na meron kayo nakita na binigay sa math ninyo, pwede nyo rin makita dyan. Okay. And then, okay, basta lahat ng mga ano dyan, actually, mga orange dyan, ang kaparehas niya is si shift, and then yung blue is yung mga blue, yung alpha. Sa apps naman, there is also here different functions. Meron tayong, kapag yung 1, pinindot nyo yung 1, ganyan. Okay, so, pero for now, hindi nyo pa masyadong magamit. 2, summation. Yung 3 is yung maximum minimum value. Yung 4, minimum value. 5, 6, 7, LCM, pwede nyo makuha. And then yung 8 is yung GCD. Okay? So, ayun lang for now. Again, if you want to type the alpha x squared, and then type nyo lang yung pinakabuong equation ninyo. Ayun lang. Thank you and have a good day.